Hello guys, so today welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing me for the first time, you are welcome. Thank you so much for joining. So today we are going to be discussing two things, right? So someone actually asked me, Sandra, how do you edit your video? How do you cut out some parts that is not good, some part like you finish filming yourself, you made a mistake like some that is in your video? How do you call it out? And another thing is that she also asked me how to put thumbnails. I'm going to show you how I put my thumbnails using CapCut. Okay, how to put your thumbnails using CapCut. You don't have to go to Canva, but if you want, I feel like Canva is good, but there's so much things to do there. There's so many of them is not it's not free. So I do my thumbnail in CapCut while I'm editing my videos, and then I'm going to teach you exactly how I do it, cutting out the part that is not good, and how I do my thumbnails so it will come out good. So let's jump right into it. As we do it, the one I'm going to be using my Samsung phone to actually. I am in the laundry, by the way, so I decided to make a video. Girl, I don't have time. I go to work. I'm a mom. I'm a daughter. I'm a wife. Like, there's so much to do. So everywhere I found myself, I make video. So don't expect to see me in one background. Today, I am in the laundry washing. You see? So I have to make this video real quick. Let's jump into it. So first of all, I believe you have a CapCut on your phone already. You go to your CapCut. When you open the CapCut, here it says new project. We are going to look for one video in my phone to actually select one. Where you are, I'm going to look for a one video. I think I should choose this particular one will serve what we want to do, because this video I actually acted as if I fell down in this video. So I think this video is going to work for us. First of all, remember, I'm teaching you, so I need to reduce the volume for the first time. This is not for you. So first we are going to take down the volume. So now we take that volume. So now we want to find out how you can actually cut out the part that is not good. So this video is a video where I pretended as if I fell down. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to play this video. You see, when I was going back to the step, I have to move it and move this, and this is where I want this video to start. When I'm coming down from the step, and then when you tap it, then you look for splits. Look here, the right split, you click on the split, you have split the video. So now you tap on that side, you are split, you look for where the right delete, you click here and delete it. Yeah, that is very easy. So when you delete it, then you play the video again, you will see now this is, you will see that place I want to fell down. I was using slow motion to fell down, so it's a pretend fell down. I did not only did fell down. So here I need to cut out that place I pretended before I fell down. I now have to tap it again, then tap it again. That's the split. Then you come back and tap on that side you split. It's very tiny. Even if you don't want to, so okay, we can do it like this by closing it. Yeah, instead of splitting, we can as well close it. Closing it is by you drag it like this a little bit, just for you to start falling. See where I'm falling, you understand? So this is how to split it. It's not that very difficult. Then down, after I fell down to the down, I went down. I wanted to cut out here too. I click on it and cut it out and delete. That is just all. You now remember to actually cut this place out to remove the cap cut. So, and you export. Now we are going to do I'm going to go back. So now we are going to select the thumbnails, how to do the thumbnail. Okay, I'm going to choose another one. I will choose this picture. Rather, this is the picture I want to use for thumbnails. Let's do the thumbnail for this particular tutorial we are doing now. So now what I'm gonna do here is that this is a tutorial on how to edit or CapCut, or how to put a thumbnail. What I'm going to do now, first I have to put the picture. Now we are putting a picture. Here you will write whatever you want to write. Here you can write how to edit with CapCut. Yeah, CapCut. This is how I do my own. How to edit with CapCut. Okay. Yeah. Edit, that was editing. So how to edit with CapCut? Here I have to style it. I am, if you do my background, I'm always using this effects to style it. Here you change, put colors, any color you want to be showing on the screen. So this is how you do it. Then now you need to you need to import a CapCut. Here they wrote overlay. You click on this overlay. I want to go and put CapCut logo, which is this one. I put this CapCut logo, then you use your two finger like this, hold it and minimize it, drag it somewhere you want it to be, just to show what the logo of the CapCut look like. I don't like leaving it like this. I always like to remove the background. You can just style it however you want, but because I don't want this video to be very long, so we're just going to do a little bit, but you can just style it the way you want. So I have to go to the background because I don't want this brown to be showing. It doesn't look nice the way it is. You see where they wrote remove background? I click on it, auto remover. I click on it and I removed it. You see, it looks much better like this. So another way you can see the place they say covered, like you want to post on Facebook after you might have finished your video. This is covered. You really write cover, you click on this cover. This is also thumbnail. They say you can choose a template. You don't want to choose you can put title. So here I've already done it. Another thing I used to do is I will screenshot this and then I will go and minimize it. That is for Facebook, because for YouTube you need to get that thumbnail separately. So after editing it like this, I will screenshot it. But if it's this purpose, it's for my, like I want to post it on Instagram or maybe Facebook, this covered is the one you will use. Once you finish it, once you go to this cover, this is the thumbnail you are going to. I'm using a screen record to do this. So my saving is up here. I cannot click it. Once I click the saving, the thing is going to remove. Once you save it, the record is going to stop. Once you save it, the thing will automatically save by itself. Then the thumbnail, this is just thumbnail you need. In this CapCut, you can create your thumbnails. Okay, after finishing it, delete and import your video. That is all. So you can actually do a lot on this CapCut. The only thing is that if you just come in, take your time, go around, check what you are, what you are doing, check everything. You can still sticker, you can put an arrow pointing like I did like this. When I'm going to edit to put a thumbnail in this video, I'm going to be pointing that way to show that, okay, I am pointing here for you to know which one is CapCut, right? So you can use so many things. I'll be teaching this thing one after the other. I don't want to teach them together so they will not be too much. Thank you for watching. If you have any other question, please leave your comment down below.